Patrickia. I am your host, Patrickia Dallas, your business strategist. All right, so today we have a special treat, and we're going to be talking about how to use credit, whether it's personal or business, credit cards to make money. So stay tuned. Okay, so I was inspired to do this video on just because I've been hanging out in Clubhouse. So you guys, if you are in Clubhouse, come. I don't have a room, join in. I think it's a great networking tool that allow you to meet some great people and get some good information. But anywho, I wanted to kind of, go over the purpose of business credit or personal credit. So you'll see all across the board, YouTube University, Google University, and any other resources that you use to find out information, that you can use credit and leverage it to make money, whether it's business or personal. However, anybody that know Patrickia know that I do not tie up my personal credit for anything. I use business credit, all right? Because we all know that it's two separate FICO, Paydex, just two separate things. And I like to keep my personal credit clear for whatever things that I have to do personally. And anytime it comes to making money or trying to invest, I use business credit. So let me go over some things that you can do to help you make money with business credit. So I have some clients that say, okay, I have business credit. I got $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. What did I do? Just have it? No, take it and use it to make money. So these are some things that will allow you to make money. And I'll give you an example of a strategy that you can use that, you can flip it. All right. So, or flip and use the credit card to make money. I'll tell you guys that. So first thing first, and the reason why I put this here is real estate. So some people might think, how can I take $5,000 and flip it and make some money in real estate? Real easy. You can do a buy and hold method. Use the money for the down payment. It just depends on the value of the property. If this is your first time into real estate, I would suggest do something simple, safe, do your due diligence. One of the things that I did to prepare myself before I tapped into real estate is I, purchased, invested in me, and you guys will see this next, into real estate boot camps that will give me understanding and knowledge so I can know how to go and, make deals. So you can buy and hold by taking money from a line of credit. And then again, you want to make sure that you're using a 0% APR. And I'll show you a strategy on how to use that. You can use it for buy and holds for down payments. You always have to have a strategy. And then you have to make sure your number's right. So that's a whole different video. You can do wholesaling. And the reason why I say wholesaling, for those of you who know what wholesaling is, you do need a little earnest money sometimes to help you close on those contracts. And you can use business line of credit instead of your personal money. Because I actually had a young lady that I met who was wholesaling and wanted me to buy into this contract, and mind you, it was only $500, but because she didn't have the money, she was like, oh, split the contract $250, and if we sell it, then I give you such and such. She wouldn't even have that problem if she had some type of security or exit strategy or something else that she could leverage. All right, so you can do tax deeds and liens, which the beautiful things, if you don't know the difference between the two, that's a whole nother video. But tax deeds, you can just buy right out. Sometimes you can get properties for less than $5,000, $2,000, $10,000. Then take it and wholesale it and flip and make some money off of it, and then pay the card off. And then tax liens, which everybody know you can make at least between 15 to 30% of a return on liens. So the next thing you can do with business credit, and you notice I put this star here, and it's called personal development. And anybody that's out there and you are into building wealth, or just establish yourself as an entrepreneur and you really want success, you'll understand the importance of personal development. So you taking a couple of $1,000, invested in a program, a course, a training, education, classes, certifications, whatever it is. Now make sure you know whatever you're investing in educational wise is going to help you make money. So if you investing in something on how to make cookies, you really need to make sure you're taking those and making them cookies and selling them and having some type of plan. But however, I invest a lot in my personal education. I'm always learning, reading books, because I realize the more, what Warren Buffett said, the more you learn, the more you earn, which means I know that the more I invest in myself, the better I am and the more successful I will be in whatever venture I am doing. Next, marketing strategy. Why did I put this up here? Because a lot of people tend to start a business without knowing how they're going to market their business to be able to get that information in front of people to be able to make a sale. So investing in a marketing strategy is very important, especially in a competitive industry that we're in, period. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, it's competitive. Some people think it's oversaturated. However, I don't believe one industry is oversaturated. I believe you have to find a way to set yourself apart. So a good marketing strategy is an investment. It'll give you a return on your investment. And return on your investment means you're getting sales from that marketing strategy or whatever marketing plan that you put in place for your business. If you're not getting sales from that marketing strategy, then you need to find a new marketing consultant. Next is you can take lines of credit and create sales processes. All right, so one of the things that I consult clients on is processes, which means if you're in business and you're not making the money that you want, that means at some point in that business, a process is not there or a process has been broken. And when processes in a business, when it's not there or broken, then it can affect sales, revenue, profitability, and more, okay? And then another thing you can do with credit is I help a lot of my clients that do that. And if you guys have any questions or you need resources or anybody that I partner with, I can provide that information. Also moving forward, I would like to let all my Facebook family know that consultation is no longer free, and that's just due to, you guys know about supply and demand, and so my schedule is just very, 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 very full these days, so I'm unable to do those free discovery calls or consultations anymore. But if you would like to speak with me, you can hit me up on my Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Clubhouse, DM me anyway, and I'll send you a link where you can access to schedule a consultation, and that fee, you'll see that in that information below. Okay, so the next thing, one of the things that I definitely love helping my clients with is expansion. So you can have clients. I had a client that owned a fleet of trucks, wanted to buy more trucks, and then basically you can use it to purchase more equipment, hire staff, because think about it like this. So if you can multiply yourself times 5, that means if you making money, that, you know, you guys get it. You can keep making more money. So you can triple and all that. And then 2, you can invest in commercial real estate, which also includes expansion as well. And then to kind of give you guys an example of what I was talking about of leveraging real estate, and it's just simply how to use the credit is, you know, you can take that line of credit, you can call your bank, whoever you got the business credit with, and then ask for what they call a check. Write the check out to you, cash the check, pull the money off. And most of the time, this is the strategy, because most people say, why would you put all that and then you got to pay interest and this, that thing? Remember, be strategic, okay? I don't do it. I have a process. I normally have a strategy. I won't use a card for 2 to 3 months. And then after a while, because credit cards know, companies know that they make money when you spend money, they'll send you offers. Oh, 0% for 18 months or something like that. And so this is the strategy that I've used for real estate. If I get an APR like that for 0% for 18 months, I'll use the money off, buy the property, come up with the plan, right? Whatever I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work my numbers to where I'm gonna get a profit off of it, take a portion of that profit, set up me a payment plan for the next 12 months. Always give yourself some wiggle room and say, I'm gonna pay X amount of dollars this month to pay off that card. And then that way you're not being charged any interest on borrowing that money. And then this is what you call a no doc loan, no paperwork loan. And it's basically based off building business credit. So you can use, again, credit cards to make money in 5 of these different ways. So there are more ways. These are just some of the ways I've used it to make money, some of the ways my clients have used it to make money. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you would like to support anyway, I'll also be starting putting my Cash App down below. Again, thank you for all of your support. Stay tuned, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and notification button, and it'll let you know when the next time we'll release another video. See you soon.